Hey guys! Welcome to my first tutorial. If you're new here, hi, I'm Emmy, and on this channel I talk about all things mum life, feeding struggles, and all the random stuff nobody warns you about. Today we're talking about something super simple but honestly super underrated, the manual breast pump. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get into it. So real quick, before we start, if you're enjoying this kind of content, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. It seriously helps me out and helps this video reach more moms who need it. Okay, let's dive in. So this little guy right here is a single manual breast pump. No batteries, no motor, no cords to deal with, just you, your hand, and this little handle. Super simple, right? Let's break it down. You've got the flange here, this cone-shaped part that goes right on the breast. Then inside there's a silicone diaphragm and a valve. These are what actually create the suction. And then it's screwed onto a bottle right at the bottom to collect the milk. 4 parts, that's genuinely it. Now, here's a tip that took me way too long to figure out. The flange size actually matters a lot. If it's too small it pinches, and if it's too big you're not getting good suction. So if you've tried pumping before and thought, yeah, this isn't for me, it might have just been the wrong size, don't give up on it yet. Drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you want me to cover next. I read every single one of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Third, try power pumping. If your milk supply seems lower than expected, power pumping may help. Power pumping is designed to imitate the frequent feeding pattern of a baby during a growth spurt. A common routine is pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10 minutes, pump for another 10 minutes, rest for 10 minutes, pump for a final 10 minutes. This takes about 1 hour. Many mothers do one power pumping session each day for several consecutive days. While results vary, some notice an increase in milk production within a few days. 4. Stay well hydrated. Your body needs enough fluids to support normal breast milk production. Drink water throughout the day and pay attention to your thirst. Many mothers find it helpful to keep a water bottle nearby while nursing or pumping. While staying hydrated supports overall health, drinking excessive amounts of water does not necessarily increase milk production. The goal is to stay comfortably hydrated, rather than forcing large amounts of fluids.